This nursery rhyme is called It's Raining, It's Pouring. So it's another nursery rhyme about rain. And we talked a little bit about main character. I just wanted to remind you that a main character is who the story is about. So listen carefully to this rhyme and try to figure out who the main character is. Let's go over some vocabulary. Our first word is pouring. Say pouring. Pouring means raining very hard. So sometimes when there's a thunderstorm outside, there's pouring rain. That means it's raining very hard. Our next word is snoring. And snoring means breathing noisily while sleeping. So sometimes you hear someone making noises when they're sleeping. That means that they are snoring. It's raining, it's pouring, and I want you to just listen. It's raining, it's pouring. The old man is snoring. He got into bed and bumped his head and couldn't get up in the morning. Okay, I want you to listen one more time. It's raining, it's pouring. The old man is snoring. He got into bed and bumped his head and couldn't get up in the morning. Okay, this nursery rhyme, you can also sing it. So for today's echo, I'm going to sing a line of the rhyme and I want you to sing it just like I am when I go like this. Ready? It's raining, it's pouring. The old man is snoring. He got into bed and bumped his head and couldn't get up in the morning. Nice job singing. Okay, go ahead and answer the question.